Hey everybody, welcome to my house, where safety's first. Today, we're going to be showing you this Zippo lighter. It's waterproof too. It's not really a lighter, it's just matches. Okay, so on here, we got this cool waterproof case. Then this very tight sealed cap comes off, has these survival matches. They got wood on the bottom, and then this coated stuff on the top. And here it has some rubber, and this is just to make it waterproof. And then get it a real tight seal when you close it. And then on the bottom here, we got the striker. So you take your match and just strike it there. And then you got the Zippo symbol here. The cool fire on top. And then you got the instructions on the bottom of this rubber. So 1, you open it. 2, you just strike your match. Okay, so I have made this jar with water inside, cold water, and I'm gonna drop this inside to just see if it's waterproof. So dip it in all the way, and then you can let it go, and it floats back to the top. Just do it one more time, in and out. Now you gotta just shake it off a little bit, dry it on your shirt, and then you can open it up. It's really tight. There we go, got it. And then the matches completely dry. And then take one out, strike it on the bottom. If you accidentally, like if it's raining or something, you got waterproof match. Okay, so I got these 2 matches out of the little container. I'm gonna be comparing it from one of them. I'm just gonna drop in the water, then strike it. This one, I'm gonna strike it and then dip it in the water. Okay, so this one is the one that I'm just gonna be dipping and then striking. So let's do it. Get it real wet in there, all the way submerged. Then you wanna just shake it off, dry it off a little bit, maybe on your shirt. You're gonna take this, pop off the bottom. So there we go. And then you can just strike it. There you go. You have nice burning fire on your match. It burns for just a little, like it goes pretty fast, but it burns really good. So yeah, it burns for a while. Eventually it'll just burn out when it gets to the end of the red, which is right now. Then you shake it off a little bit. There we go. So that one's out. Now we're gonna be doing the other one. This one, I'm just gonna be striking, then dipping it in the water, and then we'll see which one goes longer. Let's do it. So there we go, we got the fire going. Just dip it in. Then it burns underwater, and then take it out, and then it keeps going. You can dip it in again. Shake it a little bit, and then it comes back on. Maybe we can even try it again. Oh yeah, it's out. but then you can just throw it in the fire pit or the fire. Then there. Okay, that was pretty cool. So overall, when you strike it, then actually no. The first one I did, it actually goes better because you can just strike it twice and then it goes. The other one you had to strike it a few times without it wet. So that was pretty cool watching it hit bubble in the water and have it just boiling underneath. So now I'm just going to be showing you just lighting it and see if it works pretty good. So let's open up the tight seal again. There we go. Grab a match. Grab this. Get it back on. Spin it over like this. Open. And then you just strike. Get it burning a little bit. Then you just start burning this. There you go. Got it down there. Maybe it'll burn on to that piece. Oh, that one went out fast. So, well, you at least get the point. So you might be able to blow on one of these, get it back going. Yeah, that's probably not coming back. So that played pretty cool. So we're gonna try it one more time, see if we can get it lit up. This time I'm just gonna try it right down here. So I got sort of a chimney, so it just goes right out. So let's strike again. Got it. Let it burn a little. Get it in. There we go. Now we got it. So now you got a nice fire going. So I just used a shoebox for this, and it burns pretty well. And then the match just burns too. So we got these big logs, more little sticks. So now you know that you want to try and get a little spot like a chimney, so it just comes out and doesn't, it just burn a little bit and then go out. So we got quite a big fire here. Yeah, it's pretty big now. Whew, smoky. Now this log's starting to burn a little bit. This piece of the box is burnt out now, almost all the way. You got this box still going. Yeah, this is burning a little bit right here. Starting to burn a little more here. Got the biggest fire over there. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, watch more videos, and subscribe.